Brittany, what gives? I was using that brush. Give it back. Well, I need to do my face too. Time to intervene.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Well, now we've got 2 of them, but mine's a bit weird. Oh, because it's made of chocolate. And I'll bet this is only the beginning.
Blech.
Ew, a whole fish? It's all slimy. Well, my serving looks out of this world amazing. Lucky me. I'd take one like that, no question, but it looks like I'll have to settle with this. Ew.
Blech. Blech.
How are you eating that? Gross. Camilla deserves a reward for a job well done. No way. Am I really a mermaid now?
Yeah!
Whoa, I'm so jealous. You're so pretty. Aw, thanks. I'm pretty pumped about this too. Did the fish do that? Was it magical? Maybe mine is too. If you want a transformation, I'm happy to oblige. Uh-oh. I think you've been turned into a huge fish. Nice one, fairy. Coke? Awesome. You can say that again. I'm thirsty. Though my bottle looks a bit off, but that's nothing to worry about. It's only because it's made of lots of chocolate. Which is nice, but nothing compares to fizzy soda. Maybe pour that in here? Sure, why not? And then we can drink it down together. And now it has hints of chocolate in the flavor. These 2 are awfully relaxed. Why not shake things up?
Yeah!
Starting with a small drip. Oh no, we're losing soda. You spilled it all, Camilla. Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Oh, man!
Is this really a cactus? Ow, yes. Ooh. Mine looks perfectly harmless. I really got the better end of this deal. No arguing here. Don't be so quick to judge. I'll fix everything. This cactus makes me think of the Wild West. If I had lived there, I would have been a brave cowboy and taken on all the bad guys. I don't give up so easy. I'm the fastest draw there is. Ah! Ow! I stuck myself. Daydreaming will do that. Well, thankfully, while my mind was elsewhere, a great idea came to me. I'll just drink the juice from the cactus with a straw. Well, it's not the worst. Can you smell that heavenly aroma? It's pizza. And mine is still nice and warm. I'll take a slice. Ouch. Fine then. I'll get my revenge, no problem. Just a few dashes of Tabasco sauce, and you'll regret not sharing with me. I just inhaled that piece, and it was to die for. And so hot. You did this, didn't you, Camilla? Here, take your pizza. There's no saying no. While you two work that out, ladies, I'll just help myself. All this arguing really woke up my appetite. And chocolate candy pizza is the best thing ever. Too bad you won't be trying it. I'm not taking this. Oh, yes, you are. Hey, in all the fuss, my pizza's gone missing. I don't get it. Where'd it go? I've got a good guess. Oops. Fairy, I didn't expect this from you. It wasn't me. Oh no, caught red-handed. Oops. A chocolate spoon is 1,000 times better than a metal one. Maybe both of them are edible? Nope, mine's not tasty at all. And it almost cracked my tooth. Stop crying, Missy. I'll turn that frown upside down. What do we have here?
Wow!
Milkshakes? Score! We need to add a bit of color to them. I can do better. How rude. Since you don't seem to mind, we'll move on. Have it your way. I still have the superior spoon. Oh no, it's dissolving. And it turned my milkshake into a chocolate one. Yum. That turned out well. Though the mustache is a bit much. Some plastic combs? Is this a hint that we need to fix our hair? I'll give mine a once-over. This isn't working very well. I don't think that yours was actually made for brushing. Oh, you're right. This is a bit on the boring side. Time to have some fun. Oops. My comb is stuck in my hair. Here, let me help you. I'll get it out. Hold on. And now for another splash of magic in the mix. The comb's out. What the heck? Don't worry about it. It was all the fairies doing. Just have a snack. Ooh. Just a controller? What do I do with this? I do believe I get to sink my teeth into mine. And I was so very right about that. Break me off a piece. Keep dreaming. Chin up. You've got just what you need, Camilla. Oh, I think I get it. Too bad I've got no one around who wants to play with me. Well, guess I'll just have to do it myself. All right, to the left. What just happened? I'm controlling you. Could you maybe not? Hey, be careful. I'm getting the hang of this quickly. No stopping me now. Awesome. And now this button. Whoa, nice punch. And this. I'm a fighter. Uh-oh, this game has gotten out of control. How do I stop? I can help you there. I can move my arms again. Thank goodness. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Oops. Cool, Clean, harmonious, and wonderfully delicious. All that describes the color blue, which is center stage of today's challenge. Get ready for a whole lot of one beautiful color, guys. Whoa, look at these balloons. Camilla, get in here right now. Check this out. Wow, this is really amazing. I suggest we have a bit of fun and make some noise. Wow, so pretty. Hey, what's with these blue pants? Seems like these balloons are magical. Ooh, love this. Let's keep going. Blue is so my color. This all looks amazing. Agreed. And the accessories are on fire.
Wow.
I think it's time to pop this very last balloon. Nice! I think we found ourselves in a challenge. So much cotton candy. What I wouldn't give to switch. I've got gummy strips. Let's see who will finish their portion first. I'm sure I can easily speed past you. We'll see about that. My candy is smaller in size and can be easily popped into my mouth. So I need to make mine smaller. Stand back, boys and girls. Compact this down just a bit more. That's much better, but I can do better. Phew, there we go. This I can eat in less than a second. And done. Oh, what the? Apparently your cotton candy puffed back up. I can't move. This plan backfired in a very serious way. Let's decide fairly who goes first. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I win! What? You lost. Did I? Too late now. Just take a gander at this lovely little blue sucker. Isn't it just wonderful? Not as wonderful as mine. Wait, why is yours bigger? That isn't fair. I can fix this. I need my super duper sucker pump. Haha, soon you'll just be dying of jealousy, Charlotte. I think a little bit more still. It's working. What are you doing? Fighting an injustice is what? This is what I'm talking about. What do you say to this big guy? You're right. It could be bigger. Ooh. Oh no! It exploded! No! Say it ain't so! Someone needs to learn to quit when they're ahead. Let the blue craziness continue. Oh, eyes! No way! Eyeballs? Anything but that! They're looking right at me! How frightening! I need to calm down and just pretend they're normal candies? They are candies. Gummy ones.
Hey!
And they're so tasty.
Wow!
I want more. Oh, so sweet. I'm ready to snack on these until I pop, morning, noon, and night. All gone? How sad. Oh, I still haven't gathered the courage to start. And you shouldn't rush, either. Let me see that. It ought to be thoroughly checked out. What if there's something wrong with it? See?
No!
I'm sorry, but I can't give this back to you. And the other should be inspected. They're all terribly dangerous and should be destroyed. Well, if you're sure. Charlotte, what are you doing? Destroying them? Don't interrupt my work. I'm a specialist of the highest order. I know what should be done. Open them together. What's this? Looks weird. I don't know, but mine's the same.
Wow.
Whoa, it lights up. How did you do that?
Ooh.
The button? Why isn't mine working? This stupid button isn't doing anything. Oh, come on, turn on already. Ooh, I guess I got the good one, and you didn't. Look at my laser sword work over here. Ugh, forget this useless thing. Ouch, my head. Not your lucky day, I see. Ooh, and what's this? It smells really good. It must be perfume. You're ridiculous. It's not perfume, it's candy. You eat it? How interesting. I'll try.
Wow.
Wow, it's sour and wonderful. You go. No, you first. Same time? Wow, that's unexpected. A necklace? Ooh, I was hoping for something tasty. Ugh, it's made out of sour candy. It's gross. But I never back down to a challenge. Watch this. Ugh, that sour taste will never leave me.
Ew.
Ooh, what if we add a little oil to the fire and give you some more tartness? First this, and then whatever's in this to follow. She's definitely gonna blow. Nothing seems to be happening. Camilla, what the heck? Just finishing what you started. I like it. Really? And you didn't leave me any? What a massive lollipop. And I've got mint candies. Not bad either.
Wow.
I can't wait any longer. Such a unique flavor. I hope I like mine too. Ooh, when did it get so cold in here? Those lozenges are gonna turn you into an ice queen. Let's test that. Hold on, Charlotte. My tongue has turned into a lollipop. Now what do? I can't unstick it. I'll help you. Ugh, this isn't working. But I won't give up. I just need to get some leverage. You're going to rip my tongue out. We did it. Oh no. I really did rip it out. Oh, poor Charlotte. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Are you okay? You bought it, so I'm perfect. See? Still have my tongue. It was just a stupid joke. I see. I'm sure this next round will be the best yet. And I was right. I've got gum.
Wow.
Well, I've got a roll of candy too.
Ooh.
Race to the finish. You got it. 3, 2, 1, shoo. I know how to ensure a swift victory. One little snip of the scissors, and I'll win. Charlotte, you can stop now. I'm all done. That can't be. That fast? Yeah, well, I can beat you at something else. I'm gonna stuff all this into my mouth and blow the biggest bubble you've ever seen. Go ahead, but I didn't agree to that. I already won. This is going so well. Not for long. Get that away from me, Camilla. Where are we? Ooh. Well, I guess the challenge is over. Yeah, thanks to you. Don't be mad. You look great in blue. And so do you. Yeah, you better run. Did you think that was all? No way. Ahead are some bloopers that we saved just for you. While you're enjoying them, think about what blue food you love to eat, and then later tell us about them in the comments and give us a thumbs up. One cookie? So little. Not really impressive, is it? This is so unfair. You got a whole mountain of them. Stop staring at my food with those hungry eyes. Fine, I'll just look at my own. That taste. Wow! Takes me right up to 7th heaven. Excuse me while I just nab one more of these. Hey, I never agreed to that. The creamy frosting has always been my favorite part. What if I were to collect all of it? Not bad, not bad. Now I'm gonna stack it all up into a sugary tower. Wow! Not nearly enough. I need a few more layers than this. Getting taller, but it's not a skyscraper yet. 100. Mission accomplished. Holy cow! I want an Oreo like that! Keep on dreaming. This magnificent creation is mine, all mine. Oh, come on, just a little bite. That's what you get, Jacob. And this is what I get. Yum! Whoa, now that's what I call a hot meal. That's an understatement.
Oh, man!
I can't possibly eat all these peppers. It doesn't look like you've got much of a choice. Oh yeah, I'm glad I got mostly spaghetti and just one tiny little pepper. And yet, that was more than enough to start a fire. Save me, spaghetti! Well, did that help? What are you laughing about? You've got your own portion. Go on and eat. Fine, I'll help you.
Oh, man!
Gee, thanks. Alright, wish me luck. I think something terrible is about to happen. Fire! Susie, help me. Ooh. Thank you. You're a good friend. That was nothing.
Oh, man!
Check out what I can do now. Impressive. What about the rest, though? Wow, Pringles, my favorite. Mine too. Weird, it's empty. There's a hole in the bottom. Ooh. Glad you found your serving, and I hope I do too.
Oh, man!
There's nothing here, just a red button. You don't mind if I try one of… I think not. So greedy. Guess all I can do is push this button. Nothing's happening. I think this stupid thing's broken.
Oh, man!
What have you done, Jacob? I caused a Pringle avalanche. Ah! okay?
All good. Nothing to see here.
I think that's over.
Oh, man!
Anything but broccoli. It's awful.
This is unbelievable. I can barely see over it all.
I have no idea how you're gonna eat all that.
It's impossible.
You'll have to make it possible. My little tree next to your forest doesn't look so bad, so I'll get to it.
All right, I think I know how to make this a bit easier. Hello, chainsaw. I'm chopping this forest down.
Be careful, man.
Sorry, I got really into that. Okay, at least it's all bite-sized now, and this big old straw will help me speed up the eating process. Just a little more to go.
Wow, you're a human vacuum.
Uh-oh, the broccoli's stuck. Ugh. Sorry, it was an accident. Why do I always get the short stick with the good stuff?
Because Lady Luck is sticking with me today.
Per the usual, I need to make the best out of what I'm given. Thankfully this is great. See the size of this bubble I was able to blow?
Listen, you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm gonna teach you how it's done. So much gum. Score. No time to waste. Might as well shove all of it into my mouth at once.
That looks rather off-putting.
Couldn't care less. Good manners aren't for challenges. Here comes a big one. Get ready.
Whoa, I need to measure that. Oh, I've lost my balance.
Susie, you popped my bubble. Turned out funny, though. I can't believe what I'm seeing. You've got so many.
So you see them too? I thought I was dreaming.
Okay.
It seems like a nightmare to me. I've got only the one donut. But if I add on some whipped cream, that'll improve things. And if I put chocolate sauce on top of that, then I'm golden.
While we're adding toppings, why don't I squeeze on some mustard?
I'm ready to sink my teeth into my culinary masterpiece. Ugh, why is it so spicy? That taste! I need to wash it down with something now.
I see you're feeling better. That means I can start. Oh, this is just to die for. Ugh, I've eaten so many donuts already, and there's still so many left. Ooh, I'm gonna play with my food. I've been wanting to learn how to juggle for forever.
What did you say, Susie? Sorry, my hearing isn't so good.
Oh my goodness, you look a little, tired, Jacob. Chocolate. I've been waiting for this the whole time. Ooh, and it's filled with cookies. Yum.
Enough of that. Take a gander over here. Have you ever seen 100 bars of chocolate in one place before? I know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna make the best chocolate sauce in the world right now. We'll go for 30 seconds at a time. Done. Boo!
It's a snake! Get it away from me!
Take a chill pill, it's just a plastic one.
Oh, man!
Such a shame you didn't like my joke, but moving right along from one good thing to the next for me.
That is so much chocolate. It's unbelievable.
You have no way of knowing how good this is.
You got a mustache out of it.
I like it.